everybody, it's inspection day, and guys, I am so excited. My excitement is mostly on the inside but I'm that type of person, so I'm super excited. Sorry, I'm on the roadside waiting for babe. But if you don't know the story, if you're new, if you haven't watched my older videos, we bought this house in 2020. Handover was slated for December 2020 and it's now March 2021. So we get to go in for inspection today. So we're doing that and you get to come along for it. Yay! Alright guys, let's go. Yesterday, so it's a new day now, and when we came for inspection yesterday, one of the tiles in the master bath was broken, one of the floor tiles, and it was one that the shower enclosure glass was seated on, so they had to take the glass out, redo the tile. So they did that this morning. They just came and did the grouts, and then they're waiting on that, so a little later they'll put back the glass. So I'm gonna show you that now, and then I'm gonna get to cleaning. So that tile is the one that was broken. So they just did the grout like probably 15 minutes ago, and then the glass was removed, so you can see the silicone on the wall, all of that. Yeah, see the silicone there on the wall. And this is the shower enclosure right here on the sink. So as I said, the house is empty, so you're gonna be hearing echoing. I have some stuff that I just brought in my car. On the floor there we have some temporary shades right there, some temporary shades, and I have a mop in there, and you can see the light bulbs, and apparently the lighting it's too bright, so it's the screen. So those are there, and then I have my cleaners here, so I'm gonna get those into the box. Isn't open yet, so I'm gonna get these going, and then I'm gonna start cleaning. That is a glass set, some small ones, and I have some food and some Fabuloso to mop, and some water and some Powerade and some Lysol wipes. So I'm gonna go get working now.